Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you invest in S&P 500 Fidelity app. In order to invest in S&P 500 index fund through the Fidelity app, you'll first need to log into your account. So first thing first, open your Fidelity app. So now what you need to do is here, you simply want to go ahead and click on the trade sections, which is typically found in the top of the screen. You could find it here. So after you click on the trade option, then you want to scroll down and here you have S&P 500 index. You simply want to go ahead and click on it, and when you click that out, next you need to choose the account that you want to use for the investment. For example, maybe a brokerage or IRA. Then specify the amount that you wish to invest. You could either enter the amount of share or a dollar amount you wish to invest, or if you're investing the ETFs, you might be able to buy fractional shares as well. Then you want to go ahead and select your order type, that is your market order or limit order, and review the details of your order. Ensure the account, funds, amount and order type are all correct. Next, you just need to go ahead and confirm, and once you've satisfied with the order details, confirm and place your order, you will receive the confirmation of your purchase. And this is how you could go ahead and invest in S&P 500 Fidelity app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.